So I sold my camera. I had the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. It was nothing wrong with the camera. I like the camera. It's just that I realized that I started vlogging with my phone more because it was more convenient and lightweight. So I decided to sell it, and I started researching more lightweight cameras, more beginner-friendly cameras. The Sony ZV-1 and the Sony ZV-1F, which is this one, were good options for that. Now the Sony ZV-1 was like $200 more than this one, and I don't think that I need to pay the extra $200 for whatever the small differences were. So I wanted to get it, I think it comes like a content creator package with kit or something where everything come included in one, but I didn't see that, so I grabbed the tripod that they do sell with this, and it also comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card. So we are gonna take a closer look and see what it's giving. All right, we'll open the tripod first. Come with a little guide to let you know how to pair it with your camera. Here's the 64 gig SD card here. So this is the SD card, this is the tripod. I hate when you opening up something new and it's hard to open and it make you want to rip the box open, but I don't like ripping my boxes open because you never know, you might need the box again. Just like it's a good thing I kept the box to my other camera because I just sold the camera and they was able to get all the original stuff that came with it. Plus, I gave all the extra stuff I bought with it too. With no extra, like I didn't get any extra money for that. I just sold everything because I wanted it gone so I can get me a new camera. And it's hard to open this and I don't want to tear it open. But, okay, there we go. There we go, there we go. Got a lot of paperwork in here. So, you know we not reading that. Not reading none of this, but I'm not gonna throw it out because like I said, you never know. Put that back in the box. Look like they gave me multiple. Well, I guess maybe they in different languages. I don't know. It's like 3 of those booklets. Come with a little bag that I could carry my tripod in from when I'm not using it. A little dust bag. I guess it's a dust bag. Here's the battery that goes into the tripod, and here's the tripod. So you have to open this on the back so you can install the battery. So I just set the battery down in there. Now I'm gonna put the little piece back on here. Okay. Now we get into the camera. More stuff that we don't read. I'm fronting, I might read it. And sometimes I do this stuff like this. But for the most part, I like to hurry up and get right to it, so I won't be reading it right now. Ooh, this is really small. Smaller than my phone, smaller than the last camera I had, so this probably way more than the camera. What do we have? This is the windscreen. You attach this to the camera when you're vlogging outside and it's too windy and you want people to be able to hear what you're recording. I don't know why the thing has to look so matted and stupid looking. I think they could have did better with just the quality of how this looks. What else? Then this is for the charger, I'm sure, to charge the camera. And here's the camera. Is there anything else down in here? I feel like there's something else in here. What is this? The battery. The battery is small, so you know the camera is super small. Alright, nothing else in there. Move this to the side. So this is how the original battery looked. And yeah, this is super lightweight. I'm digging this. I'm digging. So this is called like a cold shoe or cold plate or something, but this is where you would put this. I don't know which way it go. Is it this way? I don't know which way it go. Oh, there we go. That sit on top of your camera like this. Now, I really don't like how this looks. I don't like how that looks. But I know I'm gonna need to use it if I'm gonna vlog outside. But
I don't know if it's on.
so for now, I'm taking it back off. I just don't like how that looks. But anyway, so they have the on-off button up here. The button where you toggle between taking a video or a photo. Record button. And I don't know what the rest of that is yet, but here's the screen. Lens cap, let's take that off. So we're gonna put the battery and the SD card in there. So we're gonna put the battery and the SD card in there. Hopefully, I always do it the wrong way every time. So when you push it down, it locks into place. And let me open the SD card. You would think 64 gigabytes would be a lot of space, but it is not. The last SD card I had, which I gave away with my Canon that I just sold, that was 128 gigs, and that was a pretty decent size, but I did run out of space a few times, and I had to format the card to make more space. So I know I'm gonna have to go and get a new SD card with more space. Man, how do I get this open? They say I'm fighting for my life. All right. Hopefully I don't put this in here the wrong way. Yep. I do it every time. Okay. Okay, just push that and lock it back. Okay, here we go. Turning it on for the first time. On off right here. And it's turning on. Okay. It looks pretty good in here. I'm digging it, I'm digging it. Let y'all see what it's looking like. It's looking pretty good. So I am going to charge it up. Probably watch some more YouTube videos trying to figure out what settings I should be vlogging on, and you know, just mess with it a little bit. And I just want to thank y'all for watching, and I guess my next vlog will be with the new camera. So come back and check me out. Subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on your post notifications and all that good stuff. Help your girl out, and thanks for watching.